Hi, welcome. This is Marta Valle with Realty One Group MVP. Let me show you 5238 Ferrari Avenue. It's a gorgeous Florida floor plan. You'll see it. It's truly exemplifies Florida living with tall 12-foot ceilings. It's a single story of almost 3,100 square feet. You have a 3-car garage. The roof is from 2022, and then the outdoor area, it has a very large deck of almost an additional 900 square feet. So let me show it to you. So this is 5238 Ferrari Avenue. This way you go further down Ferrari. And then this way you go to town. Over here is Roma Street, so you turn left to go into the center of town. We are in Maple Ridge, so really close to the center of Ave Maria. This is an almost 3,100 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. So you see a 3-car garage, 2 half baths. And let me show you with a lot of extra special features. Especially one you will see right here at the entrance. Gorgeous flooring. Check out the ceiling. This gorgeous dome, valued at about $40,000. We have this decorative fireplace over here, a half bath over here, with a little niche. This is the living area, the dining area, and you see those ceilings, very tall, also tray ceilings. And just straight ahead, you can see this beautiful view. You have a lake view, and you have this gorgeous deck. It's gigantic. So this here's the lanai, and then all this, there's a friend. And then all this here is the deck. And you can see it's landscaped for privacy. Really beautifully. I'm not sure if you can hear the birds, but I can hear the birds. It's really pretty. And the lake view over here, very soothing and restful. Okay, you can see the sparkle in the water. Okay, let's keep going. And what you can see here as well is you have access to the lanai from many areas. This is the master bedroom, the living room, and the kitchen and family area, which is also really nice. So here we go to the kitchen and family area. Here's the breakfast nook. You see here the chandelier. You can put a round table here, for example. Here's the access to the lanai. You have plantation shutters. This is a very big area. And you see how beautiful it is. You can actually open with blinds. You have it also a little shaded so that you don't have the sun so strongly shining in. And you can keep it open and enjoy the beautiful landscaping. This is the large kitchen with a walk-in pantry, an island. Really beautiful. I really like the fan as well. Gives you the Florida feel. There's a fan here too. Let's go to the master bedroom, which is right here. The additional bedrooms are over here, so it's a split floor plan. It's very large. For size comparison, this is a king-size bed. And there's a lot more space here. There's also the sitting area over here, which I've seen also used as an office, a nursing room. And you can enjoy, again, this beautiful view. You have the deck right here and then the lake with the gorgeous landscaping. Then over here, you have 2 large walk-in closets on the right and on the left. And then this here, this is the double master bathroom. So here you have his area with an access to the shower. And then here You have her area. Let's see. Here with a tub and also an access to the shower. So the shower is shared. Vacation shutters over here. Also above the tub. Okay. Let's go and look at the additional bedrooms. So you have one bedroom right here, one bathroom, one bedroom. This is the laundry and also the area of the walk-through to the garage. And then here another bedroom. So the bedrooms are all a nice size. I've seen in a different Chesbro. There were queen size beds here that fit quite well. This is a dual sink. And it's accessible from all the three additional bedrooms. You have a tub with a shower head over here. A linen closet to the left. And here another bedroom. And all three additional bedrooms had a queen size bed in the other bedroom, the other house. You have carpet in the bedrooms. In the additional bedrooms, and then also fans. And then here's the laundry with cabinets over here and a sink. This is a 3-car garage. It's pretty full, so I'm not going to show it now. So please give me a call if you have any questions about this house or any other resales or new construction. I can tell you all the ins and outs of Ave Maria living. And also you can enjoy this beautiful outdoor area here and just in general Florida living at its finest. My phone number is 239-232-5563 and I look forward to welcoming you in Ave Maria. Thank you and God bless you.